helmet real quick before I start this intro out. There we go. What's going on, guys? It is your boy Mcknightbo here with another video. And today I ain't doing nothing again. I gotta go back to work. My pad's not working right. I gotta resync it. I don't know why. But that's besides the point. It's been a hot minute since I've ridden. It's been real hot. And it just rained not too long ago, so I thought I'd just get the bike out today, go for a little bit of a ride. Get that thing rolling. There's a lot of homeless people nowadays, I see. It's crazy, and they be setting up in the same spot too. So I'm just gonna scoot on along to work and get it popping. That's the popo right there in that gray car. But it's all good though, because we certified around here. I have not washed this bike yet, and it's been like 4 weeks. No, it's been longer than that. It's probably been like 2 months, and I have yet to get this bike out and wash it. If there was a back road I could take without hitting all these lights, I would definitely take it. Let me know if y'all see any bikes on the road, because I don't see any. I've been driving around for the past, I guess, week or two. Haven't seen anybody riding bikes like they used to. That's crazy. I'm the only bike on the road. I think I downshift too much. Too much vroom, vroom. I know for a fact if I had a sport bike, it would probably sound a lot better than this. Get out of that middle lane. The middle of the lane is where all that grease and oil sits. There's still a little bit of water on the road, but it ain't bad. It's in certain spots where traffic doesn't really flow in. Over there. I'm gonna see if I can shift normal, because I normally like try to quick shift it. I'm hoping this video is gonna be one fluid video. There'll be dead times to where I'm not talking as much, but that's because traffic. I don't see no bikes except for me. be able to keep this whole video without upshifting quickly. I'm gonna try to shift smoothly. So here's what you want to do. You get at a light. Some people keep it in gear. Some people throw it in neutral. I'm that some people. I do either or. It depends on how quick the light change, like right now. If I'm at a light, I'll keep it in neutral until that light turn green. Typically. I don't like to wear out my clutch. And I get it, there's people behind you sometimes you gotta watch out for. They'll run into you. But I usually check my mirrors and make sure that the car behind me isn't barreling towards me. That's why in a lot of my videos, you see me looking around. You gotta be aware of your surroundings, especially on the bike. I'm always constantly looking. I be looking so much I get dizzy. Nah, I'm joking. I definitely needed to make this video shorter. I didn't want to make it too long, because I feel like 10 minutes is plenty of time. And it takes me about 15 minutes, I think, to get to work. So see how that light's red up there? I'll put it in neutral. Make sure I check behind me to see how close the guy is. And then lift my face shield up to get some air. Can't really breathe in them helmets. I still gotta fix my mirror. I kind of fixed it. There's one screw in there. There's supposed to be two of them. And see, this light is green, but it's gonna take them a while for this car to go. So that gives me plenty of time. Put my face shield down, pop that sucker in first, and get moving. This bike be bucking. It bucks sometimes, not all the time. This is me shifting normal. I'm gonna see if you guys can tell the difference. This is normal shifting. Spaced out. Real spaced out. Clutch in. Select the gear. But I feel like that's not good for your bike. But who knows, you know. Yeah. That's why I like to kind of like match the gears, match the speed of the engine with how quick I shift. So like downshift, see how smooth that was, and then when I upshift I do this. But I feel like that yanks the chain when I try to match the speed of the engine. It's like kind of a jerky motion. And that's where I believe that a quick shifter would definitely help that. Yes sir, we back at it again, boy. This Q60 want the smoke, but I ain't gonna give it to him, because why would I? It ain't that fast anyway. It is fast, I ain't gonna lie to you. Them Q60s are quick. I ain't gonna downplay it. Whenever you get on the bike and it's like, that thing wants to go. If it wants to go, I'm gonna let it do what it wants to do. Anyway guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video so you guys don't get too bored of it. Ooh, that was nice. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to see more content like this. Check out that video on this side of the screen. Check that video out. And let's ride these suckers.